how do you turn off the message suggestions on the iPhone? And let's get started. Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, definitely subscribe for more videos and tutorials like this one. Anyways, you open up the settings, and in order to manage the suggestions, it's best to go to the Siri section, which is called Siri or Apple Intelligence, and Siri depends on your phone. But you go there, and below you have the suggestions section, right? So you can turn off a couple of these toggles if you don't want to use those features specifically. But at the bottom, we have the dedicated section for apps. This will show us the alphabetical order of our apps. So you can find the M for the messages, obviously, and once you get inside and click there, you can manage these suggestions, right? So you can turn off the in-app suggestions right here with the first toggle. Then we have the show on home screen or suggest app in general. So it depends on which type of suggestions you mean, but that is how you can turn it off completely and make sure that nothing is really suggested to you in terms of the Apple Messages app. So as I say, it depends. You perhaps also want to turn off the learning from this app so it doesn't like track your behavior in terms of your messages. So that is the place to turn everything off, and you stop the feature from being used. But coming back to the main general suggestions page in here in the Siri section, you can also turn off the show when sharing. So that is, for example, when you share a photo, you automatically get the suggestions of people you might want to share it to, right? From the messages, for example, so you can disable that in here as well. But this would be all from me. I really hope that I could assist you with it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well. So stay tuned, and I'll see you later.